Welcome students. How are you? Fine. Okay. Today in this class I am going to teach you some numerical problems related to HOTS. HOTS, HOTS, higher order thinking skills. Yes, first question is here. When two resistors are connected in series and parallel combination, the equivalent resistance is 16 ohm and 3 ohm respectively. Calculate the magnitude of each resistance. Okay, let R1 and R2 be the magnitude of each resistance. So in the case of series combination, in the case of series combination, okay, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2, that implies R1 plus R2 is equal to 16. This is the equation 1. According to your question, equivalent resistance in series combination is 16 ohm. Okay. In the case of parallel combination, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That implies 1 by 3 is equal to R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2. After solving it, that implies 1 by 3 is equal to 16 upon R1 into R2. Okay. That implies R1 into R2 is equal to 48. Okay. Now, we use formula of algebra, like since a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Here in place of a, R1 is located, and in place of b, R2 is located. So R1 minus R2 whole square will be equal to R1 plus R2 whole square minus 4 into R1 into R2. Okay. That implies R1 minus R2 whole square is equal to 16 square minus 4 into 48. Because R1 plus R2 is 16 and R1 into R2 is 48. Okay. That implies R1 minus R2 whole square is equal to 256 minus 192. That implies R1 minus R2 whole square is equal to 64. After solving it, R1 minus R2 is equal to 8. This is the equation 2. Now, we have added equation 1 and 2 like that. Look here. According to equation 1, R1 plus R2 is equal to how much? R1 plus R2 is equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to 16, while according to equation 2, R1 minus R2 is equal to 8. After adding plus R2, cancel to minus R2, and it will become 2R1 is equal to 24. That implies R1 is equal to 12 ohm. SI unit of resistance is ohm. From equation first we have 12 plus R2 is equal to 16. That implies R2 is equal to 4 ohm. Hence R1 is equal to 12 ohm and R2 is equal to 4 ohm. This is our answer. Okay? It is the first question of HOTS. Now I am going to tell you another one. Write you another question. 100 joule heat are produced each second of 4 ohm resistor. Calculate potential difference across the resistor. Again we repeat, 100 joule heat are produced each second 4 ohm resistor. Calculate potential difference across the resistor. Okay? Do you know Joule's law of heating? What is the formula related to Joule's law of heating? This is the question based on the Joule's law of heating. Okay? According to this question, second is here given H is equal to 100 joule, R is equal to 4 ohm. Okay? T, time is equal to each second, that means 1 second. 1 second. Okay? V is equal to what? Here V is potential difference. According to Joule's law, we know that since H is equal to I square RT, here H is equal to heat, I is equal to current, R is equal to resistance, and T is time taken. Okay? That implies 100 is equal to I square into 4 into 1. That implies I square is equal to 100 upon 4, 25. That implies I is equal to 5 ampere. Ampere is the SI unit of current. Okay? From Ohm's law, from Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. We have already calculated the value of current. That implies V is equal to 5. And according to your question, resistance is 4 ohm. Therefore, V is equal to 20 volt. This is our answer. Volt. This is our answer. Because volt is the SI unit of potential difference. Now I shall teach you another related numerical in next class. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.